I don't think people understand how plastic was invented to save wildlife. Exposing the forgotten battle between plastic and ivory. The true origin of plastic might surprise you. In the 1800s, even piano keys used ivory. White meant ivory, not plastic. But ivory was rare, expensive, and elephants were hunted close to extinction. Desperate, a billiard association offered cash for a new material. Enter celluloid, the first plastic, born from a scientist mixing cellulose with nitric acid. Ironically, plastic was created to protect nature. Today, plastics are a pollution problem, but it began as a solution. Every innovation solves one crisis while sparking another. That's the story of plastic, and of us.